What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the journey. Today I got another day trading video for you guys. It is Tuesday, October 3rd, already on the third day of October. And yeah, I'm on the ES chart 2000 tick interval, and this is what my chart looked like when I opened up NinjaTrader. As you can see, we have a lot of what's it called? A lot of mixed trading going on this week. Monday we started with, or over the weekend, and then into the weekend we started with a downtrend going down. Overall, we kind of went down. Yesterday was kind of another downtrend into a sideways trading that started going back kind of towards the highs towards the end of the day, and then pre-market we continued off that mixed trading, then dipped all the way back down, made a new low, and now we are at this level of kind of resistance, but into another what seems to be range-like structure to start off the morning. That's kind of how today shaped, but let's get sped up here, and I'll go through the trades this morning. Today I did take two trades, both ended positively, so that's pretty good. That's a good way to start Tuesday, especially coming back off from yesterday's losses. We started Tuesday with two good trades, and kind of evening ourselves out this week. But yeah, so this is kind of what it looked like when the market opened up. You can see we had a lot of just kind of looked like it was going to a range, maybe possibly an uptrend. I wasn't ruling anything out though. My bias is still kind of bearish, just judging by the big move down we got going on here. And then I don't know, I just didn't trust it just going up. So I was very skeptical at first. But yeah, and then just following the small little trading channels that it made, the trend channels. Always follow the small channels, especially if you're confused. The channels will tell you what's really going on. Then I think from this point here, it started to reverse back down. Tried to go higher, couldn't do it. Then just kept going back towards the downside, and this is kind of where I took my first trade. I liked a little. At first, I was thinking of buying, but I think I took a failed second entry. Yeah, failed second entry long here. Didn't like what I saw. You can see that big drop down. This is when 9 o'clock. I think this is a news item, but it made a really big failed second entry long. I like that the bar I got, and it filled my order pretty freaking quickly. And then went back up, and then honestly, I wish I saw this, but it made a nice, beautiful lower high, just confirming the failed second entry. Or I think that's a second entry short. Yeah, second entry short. But it made a beautiful, what's it called, lower high confirmation of the second entry short. And that was my first trade of the day. Just shortly after that, not too long after that, I did end up getting another trade pretty close to where this one was. It was extremely volatile come 4 in the morning. I'm not too sure if it was a news item. I must have been a news item because it shot down quickly. I had it up on 9 times speed, but like on real time, it was pretty fast. That drop was pretty fast. But then I noticed we had, I think, a large double leg move going down. Yeah, so I drew it out one. There's one leg, and then I put the other leg right here going down. And this is kind of where my other setup went here. I think there's a second entry long, or no, second entry short again, because I think it's the bias is still going towards the downside, and I like what I saw. Got another failed second entry short. No, failed second entry long. This one was the failed second entry long. Filled more order really quick, and that was that. Those are my two trades of the day, and I kind of stayed on for a little bit after just to watch, analyze more. There were some points where I thought of entering, but I just said to myself, 2 for the day. Like, hey, that's good enough. I know my limits. I took what the market gave me, and then I hopped off. It was fairly easy reading today, a lot easier than the past, couple days. But yeah, it was pretty easy finding these trades today, and kind of reading where the market was going. A lot easier than the past couple weeks, that's for sure. But other than that, other than those 2 trades today, I really didn't see much else after that, because from here on, it kind of went into a range-like structure. There were some moments where I thought about entering, because I kind of just traded sideways for a little bit, and there were some moments where I thought about entering, but just decided to stay out of it, and just watch what everything else is doing. Yeah, and it started going down further. We had a large trend going down this morning. Definitely a bearish bias. It might have been honestly a larger channel in play, which I maybe didn't see at first, but we could have had a larger channel at play. Yeah, from this point on, guys, it really just traded sideways, and that was that. There were some entries possibly I thought about taking, but like I said, I just kind of sat back and just watched rather than force myself into a trade where I didn't know what was really going on, what the structure was like. But I'm going to end it off here today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I hope that anybody that did trade today had a good trading day. And if not, hey, there's always tomorrow. Come back, recollect yourself, and let's get it the next day. But I'm going to leave my most recent video here to my left, and then my subscribe button to my right. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. And I'll catch everybody in the next video tomorrow on Wednesday. Peace.